Welcome to our channel. This is your Ravi Reddy. Today we will see how to make a cheese sandwich pakoda. I am from Gadbanjar, so I plan to make a cheese sandwich, and my wife want me to make pakoda, and I clubbed together and then I planned for cheese sandwich pakoda. I use cheddar cheese, to which I add some mozzarella, to which I add some coriander, and I add some chopped jalapenos. I add black pepper powder. Do not add salt to your cheese mixture. Cheese is a little salty by its nature, and mix it nicely. And now I sandwiched the sandwich. I trim the edges. Use a nice sharp knife. I use refined sunflower oil to fry cheese pakoda. We can use any other flavored oil like peanut oil or any other flavored oil, rice bran oil, to give different flavors to the pakoda. Add ajwain, add good amount of salt because we have not used or we have not added salt in our cheese mixture, and add some water. Do not make it very runny. You all can see it is coating back of the spoon. Take the sandwich gently and dip it gently. You all can see batter is coated evenly on the sandwich, and then it goes for frying. We will flip them. The color is changing to golden brown. It's time to take out. Top it with some chaat masala. Serve it with some ketchup and lacha onion. And coriander sprig. You open it and you can see mozzarella. It is melted, and taste it with some ketchup. Wonderful. This is your Ravi Reddy signing.